GWN Cloud is a free enterprise-grade network management platform for Granstream's routers, switches, and access points. With GWN Cloud, secure networks can be deployed in seconds and then later managed from the same centralized interface. For on-premise deployments, GWN Manager provides the same functionality, delivered through a free software client. Both platforms are compatible with the free GWN app, offering a mobile interface for remote installation, management, and monitoring. Let's take a detailed look at GWN Cloud. The sleek dashboard interface provides an intuitive display showing device management, real-time analytics, and statistical data. Designed with usability and practicality in mind, the dashboard allows you to easily stay up to date with your network. The navigation menu has been optimized to provide a clear functional hierarchy that simplifies network management. Here you can manage multiple networks and switch between them, allowing administrators to support multiple organizations while providing multi-level management. This is all complemented by custom roles for more flexible management capabilities. The device interface displays all routers, switches, and access points on each network, along with a global network connection topology, providing a comprehensive view of the entire network for seamless management. Floor plans provide a powerful visualization and planning tool that allows you to simulate a full IT deployment. You can also enable 2.4 or 5 GHz signals and observe the signal strength of devices based on heat map coverage. Furthermore, floor plans can be integrated with maps to provide an overview of device locations worldwide. The Alerts module provides multi-level event classification along with customizable alert content and notification methods. This makes it easy to understand network dynamics and proactively solve issues in a timely manner. The Captive Portal section offers a What You See is What You Get page editor that supports various guest login methods and integrates several external portals for authentication. It provides flexibility to guest management strategies, bringing significant value to enterprises in any environment that provides guest networks. The Inventory module provides a global snapshot of all devices and offers management of unused devices. The API Developer Kit allows integration with customer systems for automated management. Also, the URL Access Log collects data and provides statistics for domains accessed on customers' networks. GWN Cloud makes deploying and managing your networks across one or many locations as easy as possible, thanks to streamlined setup, monitoring, and maintenance tools. Experience a new level of network communication solutions with Granstream.